Imagine turning your average RV into a luxurious, cozy haven on wheels. Keep watching to discover how the right furniture can transform your RV experience. Comfort is key. Many RVs come with stiff couches and hard dinette cushions, making it hard to relax. New furniture can turn your RV into a relaxing and comfortable place. Durability matters. Low-quality RV furniture often falls apart on the road. Upgrading to durable pieces ensures your furniture withstands the wear and tear of use. Aesthetics play a big role. Factory standard or previous owner's choices can make your RV look dated. New furniture lets you choose colors, styles, and patterns that reflect your personal taste. Storage solutions are essential. New furniture can include built-in storage, making it easier to access and organize your belongings. Transform your RV with Active RV Upholstery. Request a pricing on new RV furniture or reupholstery services today.